yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thought, pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop till it comes, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south.
No words, only gas.
Can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about. Have your cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round. I'm looking bound, can't stop me now.
Good. Oh my god, is that a carbon fiber grill? Beep the plates. Ah! Peep the plates. That is so sick. Now anytime we got another build, we got a Kenny 1, Kenny 2, Kenny 3. Oh my god, I'm so hyped. What is good, boys? Welcome back to another video with your boy. If you guys are new here, my name is Chris. We're building my, it's over there, Mark 7 GTI here on the channel. We go fast and have a good time. If that is something that interests you, go down there and hit that subscribe button, brother. Join us on our journey to 10,000 subscribers. All right, yeah. I'm hyped. You want to check out these baloney skins? Bruh, them's is bad. I just threw those in the rear because they're super bad. We got the meats in the front for now until we tear those up, and then we got new tires right here. Obviously, if you guys didn't see, go back and check out the last video. I just got a new bike, almost brand new bike to me, and yeah, we're gonna be doing some shit on that bike today. We got some goodies I'm gonna show you here in a second, and this is gonna be my first attempt at like a good moto vlog, because like I'm not good at it, I haven't done it before. Bikes are a huge part of my life. I learned how to ride on a pocket rocket when I was like 5 years old, and from there on, that's what started the chase, you know what I mean, the feeling. If you know, you know. And cars like are just another extension of that, but bikes are always going to be there, and I've never had the chance to work into like having actual nice bikes and stuff. So from here on out, we're gonna have cars, we're gonna have bikes, we're gonna go fast and have a good time, brother. That's all it is. So for those who are like expecting me to stop the GTI content or anything like that, not at all, my guy. Full effect on GTI. She's just chilling. This is kind of nice, so I don't put so many miles on that because I drive every goddamn day. Well, all right, let's get into it. Is that a Tommy dog? Bro, the saddest part about this bike, right? So this is my, for those who don't know, 2019 Z650 Kawasaki. I got rid of some of the decals because they looked super goofy, like the ones that come stock. Like there's some up here and back there. We got rid of that. A couple little things looking way cleaner.
Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need.
So the only thing that sucks about this is the dude who had it before me, he was learning how to ride on it. So we've got like little ding here, but the worst part, oh, he got the carbon. He got the Yoshi. But all right, let's hop into it. So today, you already know your boy's a dirt bike boy. So we got some fresh pro tapers, looking nice. This isn't gonna be a how-to, we're just gonna rip through it and replace it. And yeah, let's do it. Yo, I'm so hyped. The first mod? Is it actually the first mod? I think it is. Dude, it just looks so good. Like, look at this thing. Like, especially this angle right here. Like, right? Oh, man. Look at that. I love naked bikes. They're so sick. I've always wanted one, so this is like a perfect entry to that. All right, let's do it. Also, it's 98 degrees, and it's so humid that I can feel the moisture in my ears. I'm going to be real sweaty on this one. Beep boop. Alright, we got everything off. Bars are loose. I got everything nice and loose, and we're gonna get that pull off and then jump to putting on the new bars. Oh! I guess so. So hyped. It's so stupid how little things like this make such a big difference. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Go down there, hit the like button for your boy. If you guys are new here, go hit the subscribe button. Join us. Don't have a friend help you lift it. Throw your back out. Be a man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hell yeah. That cold start though? Okay. What do you do, boys? Alright, okay, so update. I'm sweating my sack off. It is so humid, it's actually disgusting. It's still 90 degrees. I'm sweating through my helmet. But we're mic'd up on a Saturday. Yeah, let's go for a rip, dude. Oh my god, I'm so excited. They look so good. I'm actually stoked. Alright, I'm gonna look like a total goober because these are different bars. I'm just barely used to this bike, and I have like gloves that aren't broken in that are super stiff, so I'm probably gonna look like an absolute little goober. Alright, oh my god, it's so much different, what the hell? Oh my, yo, wait, is that a GTI? Alright, let's roll. Oh my god, this is so weird. The bar position is completely different. Now I feel like I'm on a, oh my god, now I feel like I'm on a supermoto. Yo, this is so much different, what the hell? Oh, it feels like a completely different bike though, that's so sick. Oh, this is way better. Oh my god, this feels so much better. Yo, let's go. Is there a deer over there? There is. What's up, dog? Before, when I first got on this bike, because I'm so used to dirt bikes, this felt so foreign. But now that I put these back on, I hopped on and I was like, oh wait, I know how to ride this. Yes, sir. Oh my god, dude. Okay, I'm literally like more in love with this bike now. It's so weird how such a small thing can make such a big difference. Oh my god. Oh, I feel like I have so much more control. Yerp, yerp, yerp. Oh my lord. Oh shit. Should have gone that way, chased down the homie. Dude, this thing sounds so dirty. Like the little low end barks sounds so sick. Hey, sorry brother, did I disturb your telephone call? Sorry about that, brother. Oh my. Hey-o. The cop went this way, so we're gonna turn around. Bro, I don't know about anybody else, but this right here, best feeling on the planet. Just chilling. Whoa! Manhole. Oh god, I can't see because of the headlights. Where are the manholes? Right there. I can dodge these like a mofo. This thing's so ridiculous. Good heavens, sir. Your exhaust pipe is extraordinary. You're the pump be popping. Oh! Damn, dog. Are those fresh pro tapers? Damn, dog. Alright, let's bounce, boys. I got the fresh bev. Oh my god, is that a Yoshi? Is that guy riding around with a Yoshi? Alrighty, brothers, let's get that last little rip home, and then we'll pick up on this tomorrow. I just want to get the bars on tonight, get a good feel for them, and then we'll rip tomorrow or whatever day is next. As far as like the vlogs and stuff go, they're gonna start off kind of goofy, like the moto vlogs and everything, just because I kind of, you know what I mean. I haven't done it before. It's not my realm, and I got to work my way into it a little bit. But I think it's a super cool opportunity that I can finally get to express myself through bikes for you guys, and you know, meet some new people. Whatever, bro. We're just here to go fast. I'm gonna rip home, and then we will jump to the next couple days, whenever it is.
Hey, yo, it's hot as f. Greetings, fellow brethren. Welcome back to the vlog. Here in the wild Amazon, the rainforest. You can hear the birds are chirping, that means it's hot. I just woke up. The mic is inside the helmet, so hopefully you can hear me. I don't have my regular camera because we're in a hurry, as always. Look at those pipes, baby. Ah.
Spare gloves. Welcome back, boys. Day 2. With you, boy. You're live on YouTube, brother. That is a BMW Z4, my guy. All right, let's book. It's hot standing here. Holy shit. Let's do it. Yo, I'm so stoked. All right, we're going to meet up with the boy Brandon. He also just got a brand new bike with my new Supermoto. I'm obsessed with the handlebars. It's so sick. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, baby. Let's do it. Yeah, probably next video. Next video is going to be GTI content. So just a heads up for that. I'm going to try to do a little balance, a little here, a little there, you know. Get a nice blend, but obviously this is brand new, so I'm super stoked about it, and I can't stay off of it. I just want to get better at the motovlog stuff, you know? That's really all it is. I feel like a weenie not having a jacket on or anything, but it's way too hot, bro. I couldn't even deal with it. Let it warm up a little bit. Some people are so cute about riding bikes, like the little daily commuters. They're like, yeah, I like stock exhaust. Oh, hey, bro.
This fucking guy.
Hello.
Riding like an ass.
Nah, dude.
Hell yeah.
What's up, brother? It's super light, dude. It doesn't weigh shit. So, yeah.
You sit on that.
Oh, yo, how do I even sit on this thing? Dude, this thing, brother. Good heavens. I was gonna say, this feels like I'm on a goddamn spaceship. Totally different. This is like an Escalade. This is like this is like this little hatchback. That's crazy. Yeah. Dude, that's what I'm saying. That thing's a little fucking she's a mean bitch.
You weren't ready for all that, were you?
I was not ready for that. I was not ready for all that, my guy. Let me just grab a bev and then we'll go. Yes. How you doing? Sweet. Thank you. Oh yeah. On the road again. We out here, boy. Oh, day three. I'm out of work. We're gonna go meet up with Neptune's SDI. He just got new wheels. I'm so stoked. Hit all the lights. I'm just closing up at work. Yeah, he got some super clean new wheels. I'm so excited to go see it. I got the bike though, so I'll try to. I don't have my helmet, so I can't film like on the bike, but I'll try to manage. We'll see. It's gonna be spicy. We're gonna film a little edit with his wheels. It's gonna be sick. Sorry, this video's been like super random towards the end. I'm just trying to like, I keep like doing the thing where I go to film for the day, but then like we don't really end up doing anything. So it's just like, it's a mess. Just bear with your boy. Hey, Adam. Hey, Adam. Hey, man, you want to be on YouTube again? Hey, man. Remember that one time? What's up, dog? What's up, dog? Yo. These are dirty. What a Subi. That's so sick. I mean, now you're going to have to lower it, dog. Now you have to. Bro, if you do lower it, though, the fitment's going to be disgustingly perfect. It's going to be money. Damn, dog. Oh. Look at the glitter. Oh my god.
Yeah, the mud flaps are gone.
Oh, yeah, it's very clean. Oh, hell yeah. I already know we're about to film a spicy edit. Hey, bro. You're on YouTube. What's up, motherfucker?
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good. Fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts. I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth. Can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about. Have your cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round. I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn.
Later, brother. Alrighty, brothers, I think that's gonna wrap up this video. We're about to rip home. Sorry this video was super random, but I'm so excited. I'm excited about the bike. I'm excited about the content for the GTI coming. Stay tuned. There's some spicy shit coming. I'm just waiting on parts. That's really what it comes down to at the end of the day. But you already know. Keep it real. Just keep driving. Your boy will catch you in the next one. We out. Peace.
Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost.